How's everyone doing on this nice Halloween? Got a nice treat for ya. Got this 2015 Acura TLX advanced package. This baby's fully loaded with everything you can imagine on this baby. It's a beautiful, nice, silverish, kind of bluish looking silver. Really nice, really nice. 42,000 miles. Again, advanced package. Acura's SH all-wheel drive. Parktronics. Leather navigation. All the stuff. I'll show you the interior in a second. 6-cylinder, so she's pretty fast, you know. Nice set of wheels on her. Smart key, reverse camera, fog lights. Those headlights, they're beautiful. Just go ahead and show you little things. Just notice a little scratch down there, as you can see, nothing major. Again, 2015, 42,000 miles. Nice gray interior. Beautiful car. You got the digital shifter right there. Dual big screen, heated and cooled seats. Sunroof, obviously. Beautiful car. Very nice car. 42,000 miles. It's collision mitigation, all that stuff to switch lanes and everything. This baby has it all. You know, fully loaded. Can't get anything better. Come check her out. Got a really nice price on her. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Peace and love.